everyone, my name is Sabina Foba. I am the president and co-founder of Afritech Hub. At Afritech Hub, we try to encourage young people to be passionate about STEM, science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Because of the worldwide benefits of STEM and skills, we try to encourage young people to pick up STEM education and subsequent STEM careers. We do this in three main functions. Firstly, we organize STEM career orientation and STEM awareness session. Schools. Here we interact with the students, we share our unique journey, professional journey, and we try to motivate them for them to be encouraged and pick up STEM careers. Secondly, we organize digital workshops which are practical and hands-on. And thirdly, we have a robust mentorship program.
Hi guys, my name is Lona Eno and I'm the programs manager at Afritech Hub. So far it's been an amazing experience talking to youth about prospective career choices, about building sustainable futures for them. So far the students have been receptive and we realize that we are solving a lot of problems that we did not know that already existed.
My name is Jacob Ekan and I'm the social media manager for our organization. It's aimed at promoting students in ST, and that's science, technology, engineering and maths, and also helping them for the career choices post their advanced levels in the high school, and also guide them on why they choose the careers and for what reason are they choosing what particular career that they want.
Lisa, and I'm a student of opposite science studying chemistry, biology, maths and physics. From this program, this short program that we had in school, I've really learned a lot. I've learned how I can choose my career choices. I've learned what purpose is, what passion is, and how to separate myself from the two, and I've really been blessed from everything that I've seen.
After that, I was asked a question that what do I want to be in future? So I already thought of this since I was in Form 1. So my answer was I want to be a marine engineer.
Our goal at Afritech Hub is to inspire a youthful population that is innovative, creative, and recognizes problems in the society and creates sustainable solutions to address such problems.